Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. It's December 27th, 2 days after Christmas, watching the NASDAQ right now. First, right there, first entry of the day. Right here, candle flipping itself, and I'll explain it to you. Said I didn't think I'd be trading today because there's nothing going on. It's just a dead, as you can imagine, this holiday week. Just as dead as a doornail, but right there, it's candle flipping itself, right? You've seen me do this before. Let me just see. I was right here. I actually got entered already. So it's not looking as good as it did a minute ago. But we're gonna go for 1-to-1 here, guys. 1-to-1. So 1R. I'm gonna risk 1 to make 1. Pretty simple. And it's been the first opportunity really all morning. Here's London Open way back here at 3 a.m. my time. It's now 7:26. So we're 4.5 hours into the session. Very kind of a quiet, sluggish day. You'll see the S&P very range bound. This is the Dow, same thing, just kind of meandering around. And this is the NASDAQ that we're looking at here on this trade. I'm live. I'm in the trade now. And it's just probably going to sit around for a while. That's okay. But we're looking to take this thing down. This is a gap move that happened, of course, overnight. Now, overnight's really a couple days because of the holiday. So this is from Friday. Obviously, Friday's close here. And the market closed at 5 o'clock. And then this is the open this morning at 6 a.m. 6 p.m. last night. Even my zones are a little bit messed up right now. And today is Tuesday, of course. So yesterday was Monday, Boxing Day. Markets were closed. Sunday was Christmas Day. A lot of unnecessary information there, but just want to make sure we have a perspective as to why we got this gap. It's about a 35-point gap, I believe. It looks like it anyway. Let's see, there's the close. We closed here on the Friday. And then we opened up, 35, 36 points higher after those several days. So it was Saturday, Sunday, and the Monday, Boxing Day. And now we're driving down. So this is moving in our desired direction. Looking for a 1-to-1 here. Tempted to move this stop down, but I'm not going to yet. It's just too sluggish right now. I'm going to give it a bit of an opportunity to move here. On the 15-minute chart. Just need to go a bit lower here. All right, I'm going to move my stop now to above the current candle high. We've just reduced the potential loss by about 60% by doing that, okay? And a little bit more than that, actually. We've also increased the chance of being stopped out, of course, right? There's always a trade-off in these things when you're managing in-trade dynamics. So we've increased the chance of being stopped out, but we've also decreased the potential risk by about 60%. I'm going to watch this now. We've tossed the coin, we've called heads, and now it's up to the coin. We have no more say in the matter outside of managing the in-trade dynamics. Moving stop to break even now. That has something to do with the amount of time we've been in this trade. As time passes, it matters too. We've given it a chance to do some work down here, and it seems to want to stay down here for now. If it now rejects all the way back up to here, I likely don't want to be in the trade. At least I'm willing to give up the trade at a zero profit. And that's something you learn over time. I was likely to create an upper wick here, because most candles have upper wicks. No rocket science there. All right, guys, dropping down here. I was just answering some questions about market structure on my Telegram channel, my Telegram group, while we're watching this unfold. Moving my stop now to above the current candle high. You see that there? I'll put that blue line to show where it is. So now it's a sure or a sure win no matter what. Now moving, stop to above current candle body. You see that there? And we're about to get taken out here, hopefully, this profit target. I'm actually going to reduce this now to 20 even points because I see we've blazed that trail and things are getting a little bit quiet and sloppy now on this extended move. I'm going to try to take that out right there and see if we can get down, hit that thing one more time. We might have been out of luck here, but we're going to make money no matter what. First trade of the day, 7:30 a.m. my time. London opened at 3. Been very, very patient, and I recommended that to my group as well. It's actually in a conversation on the group, but I think other people can see it as well. just talking about mastering the art of doing nothing, or the act of doing nothing. And people sometimes get a bit confused about doing nothing. And nothing is something that you actually do. There's an action to it when it comes to trading, as opposed to feeling like you're just impotent and lazy and out of the game. And the do nothing is a highly active decision when it comes to trading, and it can lead to a great deal of profits by not taking losses. And so it's an implied profiteering move, if that makes sense. Looks like we're going to get taken out here. A sure profit, and that's okay. Watching. Just patiently letting this thing unfold now. I think we could just pop up and get taken out at that sure profit. That's okay. Of course, my preference is to come back down here where the trail has been blazed already just a few minutes ago. We talk about that on my channel as well. This is dynamic in trade management. It's something you get better and better at as you spend thousands of hours in front of the charts, watching millions of candles form. Came dangerously close to being stopped out there, as you could see. Patience. Many amateur traders would have just jumped out right there. They wouldn't be able to take it anymore. And that's fine for this trade. They would have saved a little bit of face or something, but in the long run would likely not be a profitable trader, because the math doesn't work over the long term doing things like that. It only gets you to save this trade, or this session, or this morning, or this day. And it's counterintuitive, because it feels like if I took profits now, it's better than taking a profit up here, right? A smaller profit up here. And again, that would only apply to this trade, but not to a practice, a process, a mindset, a philosophy, a methodology, all those good things. Watching now. What you don't know is that I'm also watching something else, and it's this. It's the Three Sisters. You might know, but you probably didn't know it today. The Three Sisters here. This is the NASDAQ, the SPY, and the Dow. And I'm just making sure that these markets are moving with synchronicity, congruency, acting similarly. If all of a sudden the S&P and the Dow start rallying strongly, I might even take a profit on this, because the NASDAQ would be out of sync. That makes sense. I'll bring you back. I think we're going to get stopped here. I see this pulling back now on all three indices. Just being patient with it though. Deliberate. You can probably also see why I moved my stop there, because you can see the prices, even though they have been kind of rallying, they've struggled a little bit to get above that. And that's what we see. I think they might go there now and just take us out, but that's okay. Here we go. And out. All right. So that was a nice trade for a total of Yeah, 9.5 points. Good. Let me just check mine. Yeah, 9.5. Nice trade, guys. Thanks for being with me. And we will see you a little bit later, hopefully, if anything sets up. If not, we'll see tomorrow. It's going to be a really quiet day when New York opens. Talk soon. Take care.